Welcome back. In this session, we will see how to run the project. Then we will discuss the code in detail. So, as of now, concentrate on how we can execute the project or execute or run the programs. So, here I am creating a Kafka topic. So, I've written bin kafka topic.sh, create topic, clickstream data, bootstrap server, localhost 9092, partition 1 and replication factor 1. So, it will create a topic. Topic is a place where Kafka stores the data and we can access that topic and retrieve the data at our Spark end. That is in Spark Streaming. So, let's create it. So, here you can see we will be creating clickstream data as the topic. So topic is created, no data is there. We will load the data. Let's start Zeppelin first. So here you can see we are in a terminal where we can open start Zeppelin. So here you can see Zeppelin started. Let's open the Firefox, that is the Internet Explorer. Once the Internet Explorer is open, I will show you where we have written the code. So I will go to Zeppelin localhost 8080. So Zeppelin is still starting. So once the Zeppelin is up, we will see Clickstream Analytics. So this is the Spark streaming code. We will show you we will explain you the code in detail in the upcoming section. But in this session, we are going to see how to run the project. So here we have defined subscribe to Clickstream. Here we are reading data from Kafka. So here you can see Clickstream data, and here also you can see Clickstream data, Clickstream data topic name. So this topic is empty, no data is loaded, and we are going to process it from the starting offset earliest. So here are the columns of our CSV file, and we will discuss this in detail. Let's go to location, cd home/data engineer clickstream. Here you can see we have two folders, Parquet output and checkpoint. So both are empty. So here you can see both are empty. Here we have specified the location, Parquet output and checkpoint. We will see what is checkpointing in detail in the part 3. As of now, we will just execute how we can run the code in Linux system. So Zeppelin is up and running. Spark we have already installed. We will go to the Spark interpreter. So here are the few libraries we have, uh, artifacts we have included, and our location is home data engineering Apache Spark, and this is the Spark version which we are using, and this is the latest Apache Zeppelin version. 0.12.0, which is available in year 2025. So let's click on Clickstream. Our Parquet file is also empty. Checkpoint is also empty. Now, here we are writing data in the Parquet format. So the Parquet file will be created. So, so as you can see, we have written a Kafka command bin Kafka console producer .sh topic clickstream data bootstrap server localhost 9092, and we are loading this CSV file clickstream data.csv, which we have created by using the Java cli- uh, clickstream code generator, data generator. So this file was created by data generator clickstream.data. You can see this about this file detail in the part 1 of the video. Now here you can see we can, since the topic is empty, now we are loading data into Clickstream. So it's a part. Now here is the Spark code. You can fetch the data. So this is the portion. So it is still pending. So once the Spark execution is completed, we can see the Parquet files. So we have seen the Parquet files folder where the data where no files were found. So here you can see processing is still getting done, running 0%. Here data has been transmitted. Since I am recording and running the code, so that's why it is taking too much of time. Else, that's the reason we are processing small amount of data, because the multiple query streaming. Oh, okay. Let me rerun it again. So I might have run any Spark code in the background. So that's the reason I was getting multiple multiple Spark session has been running. So now we will go to location, CD, home, data engineer, clickstream, Parquet. Here you can see a Parquet file has been created. Less minus LTR. So here you can see Parquet file has been created and it has records. So now let's see MySQL hyphen user root hyphen p. So use my log db as the database, logs db. So now show tables. We have two tables, clickstream data and logs db. So type select star from clickstream underscore data. So table is empty. So now let's load this Parquet files. that is the this Parquet file, that is home data engineer clickstream Parquet output into this table by using this code. So this is the location home data engineer clickstream Parquet output, and we are loading into table clickstream underscore data. So this is also a Spark job that will load the Parquet data into MySQL. So here you can see Spark job is running in the background. Let's type. So 104 records have been written. Here you can see. Now even in Zeppelin you can run the SQL statement. Type MySQL. We have configured the MySQL interpreter by using JDBC. Let's talk about it, then we will run it. Interpreter percentage MySQL, enter. It will show us the interpreter. So this is the interpreter which we have configured. Here the JDBC MySQL localhost logsdb. We have seen we have used logsdb as the database, and this is the artifacts MySQL's MySQL.connector Java 8.0.33. So click on notebooks, Clickstream Analytics. So Clickstream data, this is the Kafka topic. We have processed the data by using the Spark streaming, and few of the records might have to be rejected because we are filtering based on this. We will discuss it in more detail. We have accessed the Kafka stream, read stream, Kafka stream from Kafka topic, Clickstream data, and then writing it into a Parquet files. See here you can see Parquet files, mode as append, and this is the sum of the logic we have decided. Page load time, scroll depth, time spent in seconds, transaction, event timestamp. So we are providing the timestamp format based on our file input. Here we are loading the data into from Parquet files to MySQL by using this code, and now we can run the Clickstream data. We can fetch the data from Clickstream data, MySQL table. So if I remember correctly, 104 records were fetched. Select count star from Clickstream data 104 records. So today is, I've run it previously. You can check 2020 5 06 25 data was there, but today we will get 2025 26 data because today I am running it. So here you can see our column name has changed. This is the data and this is the bar chart. This is the daily user sessions, number of users 104, session duration distribution. So this is the SQL. I am not going to explain this SQL because I expect you to know the SQL as the prerequisite of the course. So here we are fetching session ID, timestamp as session duration from Clickstream data group by so and so, and this way we will be able to perform lot of activities. Top landing pages, top 10 landing pages. So here is about lending, product details, cart. These are the top landing pages, top exit pages from where the user got exited. That is from contact, product details, products, most common click paths. So here you can see, here you can see the data. Here you can see the results in bar graph format. Button click frequencies. How much button click frequency it is. Buy now end cart is 58% and 46% is the sign up submit. So this is the result. This is the bar chart, pie chart. So that's all. I will provide you the code in the website called projectsbasedlearning.com. So you will be able to see the Zeppelin. You will be able to get the Zeppelin files. So that's all for this part 2. In part 3, we will see the detailed explanation of Spark Streaming and Parquet to MySQL code. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.